Hello guys, welcome to the HTML crash course for beginners. In this video, we'll learn about how to add videos to our website using the HTML video element. My name is Kafui and welcome to my channel Mortdotdev. Please subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a content on the channel. With that said, let's get started. The HTML video element is used to embed videos onto a website. It allows you to play a video file on a web page and provides various attributes and methods for controlling the video playback. So before I demonstrate that to you, in my file explorer here, I have this videos folder, and inside the videos folder, I have these two sample videos I downloaded from pexels.com. So I'll just go ahead and show you pexels.com quickly. So this is the website. So you can see there are tons of sample videos you can download from here, and then you can download photos as well. So now let's go back to our text editor and then to our web page. So in order to add a video to your website, we use the HTML video element or the video tag. So I'll just go ahead and write video, and then with auto completion I'll press enter on my keyboard, and you see that we have this video tag. So it has the opening and closing tag, and then it has the source attribute. In the source attribute, this is where we specify the URL or the path to the video. So I'll just go ahead and go to my videos folder because that's where I have my videos, and then with auto completion you can see that we have access to the individual videos in the videos folder. So I'll just go ahead and select the first one and then save. Let's see. So you can see that we have this big background of the video. We have this big background of the video displayed in our browser, and as you can see, we cannot play anything. We don't have the play button, the pause button, or even the volume button. So how do we get those controls? So in HTML, we can add the controls attribute to the video tag. So I'll just go to the opening tag here and then write controls and add the controls attribute. We don't provide any value to it, so I'll just go ahead and save. So upon saving, our video is very huge. So upon saving, you see that now we have this play button on the video, and then you can see that, let me scroll here, the video is very big. We have this volume button here, and I can decrease or increase the volume of the audio of the video. And then we have these other buttons that we can use to perform other functionalities. So I'll just go ahead and then play my video for you to see. So mind you, it has an audio, but let me just play it briefly. So our video is playing. So as you can see, I can increase and decrease the volume. I can mute it as well. So that is the HTML controls attribute. So let's go ahead and look at other attributes that we can add to the videos tab. So you can see that our video is very huge. So in order to control the display size of the video, we can use the width and height attribute. So I'll just go ahead and write the width, and then I'll provide the width and then the height, and then they are measured in pixels. So I'll just write a width of, let's say, 400 pixels, and then a height of 350 pixels, and then I'll save. So upon so doing, we have this nice video size here. So now the size has decreased to only 400 by 350 pixels. So I can still play it. I'll go ahead and pause it. Now another attribute we can add to the video tag is the autoplay attribute. This attribute enables the browser to play the video automatically without a user clicking the play button. So when I go ahead and add autoplay attribute to this tag here and press enter and save, so as you can see, let me mute it. As you can see, the video has started playing without me even clicking the play button. So I'll just go ahead and pause that and then unmute it. The next attribute to look at is the loop attribute, which enables the browser to automatically begin playback from the beginning whenever the video ends. So if you want your video to play over and over again, you should use the loop attribute. So I'll just go ahead and add it and save, and then let me mute this. I'll just forward quickly so that it ends, and you see that it has already begun playing from the beginning. So I'll just go ahead and forward it again, and you see that our video begins playback. So that's the functionality of the loop attribute. Another attribute we can add to the video tag is the muted attribute, and this muted attribute mutes the audio of the video. So let me go ahead and unmute it here and pause. So I'll go and then add the muted attribute here, and when I save, you see that the video is now muted. So I'll go ahead and then first I'll remove it and show it to you again. So when I save and pause, you see that our video is what? Unmuted. So I'll just go ahead and add the muted attribute, and when I save, you see that the video is now what? Muted by default. So in order to practice, let's go ahead and then add the next video in my videos folder. So I'll add the second one again, and I'll add a width of 300 and then a height of 300. This one will be smaller, and then save. So when I scroll down, we have this video. So we have this image background here. So in order to add our controls, we should add what? The controls attribute. So I'll go ahead and do that, and now we have these controls here on the video. I can play it. I don't know if you can hear that. It is playing. Now, one thing you should note is, in order for accessibility reasons, you should provide a 4-bar text in the video tags to be displayed if the browser does not support the video file provided or video element. So in between the opening and closing video tag, you can put a text there, and this text will be displayed in case the browser doesn't support the video format that you provided it. So over here, I just provided this MP4 video file. So by now all browsers should support MP4, or most browsers support MP4 video file. So in case you provide a video file format that is not supported by the browser, this 4-bar text will be displayed. So I'll just put here, your video is not supported by the browser. Just a 4-bar text, and then I'll save. So this 4-bar text here will only be displayed in case the browser I'm using doesn't support this video format. So in this case, it supports it, so we don't see it. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section for discussion. Please subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a content on the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.